First alert weather day is issued for next week. We have an update on that coming momentarily, but first and foremost, it's pretty cool out there right now. We have our Skycam network positioned on the moon, and what you're seeing is this little star just off to the right of the moon in Devil's Lake. They're starting to see that is Mars. So moon coming between us and Mars, but it's starting to separate just a little bit. You'll be able to see that. Now, Fargo can't see it yet. We just checked, but we're going to keep our eyes on it throughout the show. Well, let's get to the details on First Alert Weather Day. Again, next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. And as you know, a lot can change between now and then. But this looks like a potent winter system. It showed up for the last 3 days on models, and now three medium-range models agree on the basics of the timing and the track, and even some on the intensity. The European model, which has done a fair job this season so far, showing a strong and strengthening Colorado low moving through. Colorado lows are more common for producing 1-foot snowstorms here in the northern and central plains than any other type of weather system. So we watch them very carefully. Now, we'll have a very dynamic system with rain and sleet on the side of the system that's warmer. Colder side will see snow. So we go through the day. This is looking at Tuesday and Tuesday night. Those impacts will be felt. Some will get just rain. So not everybody's going to get whacked with miles of snow, or piles of snow, I should say. Then as we head into Wednesday, the storm weakens a bit, but the wind picks up and it'll be cold enough for snow in all locations. Now, the European model shows this big white area. We're not going with snow amounts yet. We can't do that with precise ability at this point, but it does look like the potential for 8 inches or more of snow will be best in this area. Not everybody in this area is going to get 8 inches of snow. Keep that in mind. That'll likely be in a more narrow band. Now, here's something that gives us a little confidence. That good old American model shows the greatest risk for snow in a very similar location. Notice where that rain was. Both models also showing a rapid decrease in snow potential there. We're going to keep you posted as to what goes on, but that brings up, what is a first alert weather day anyway, Hutch? Well, we issue those to give you that first alert to significant change in the weather. It doesn't always have to be a big storm. And that lets you know we're going to be tracking that storm and its impacts on your day. And if those impacts go away, we'll let you know about it. But we'll bring you those updates, and you will hear them here first and on the Valley News Live weather app. A first alert weather day is not a warning that you're going to get piles of snow. In fact, we issue them for changes in weather for things like frost and wind chill and other changes to your weather that we feel that you would want to know about ahead of time. Mostly moony right now, 1 above as we've warmed up. South winds really helping to scrub out some of that molasses and cold air. 5 Detroit Lakes, 4 below Hallock, 6 below in Grand Forks. Wind chill still near 30 below up north. Overnight, as we set things into motion, these south winds are going to churn temperatures into the single digits for all of us. So we will warm up, but it won't feel warm, so bundle up at the bus stop. Tomorrow, a quiet day, sunshine, temperatures rising to near 20 degrees. We cannot rule out a flurry in the southern portion of our viewing area very late as the clouds increase here in Fargo. But some fun and sun and 21. That sounds better than 20, doesn't it, Justin? All right. Your hometown forecast shows low to mid 20s south, teens north, a lot of sunshine and fantastic weather. Now, this fella here, this is Randy. He's out walking around, and we told you don't stick your tongue to a flagpole. Randy here stuck his wet nose to a cold rock. He just had to wait it out, folks, in a warm car. That's what you do. Just wait it out. All right, 29 Friday. Warming trend continues into the weekend. A flake here or there. First alert weather days on Tuesday and Wednesday. And, of course, we'll keep you updated to the latest on that as we go through. But at least the temperatures there will be a lot better than the bitter today.
Yeah, as frighteningly cold as it is, it's one day. So you can bear with it for one day.
We made it through, but, yeah, now we got a few new